Alright, this is going to be a quick how to rebuild your front bumper on your 335i after you've just painted it. And then I'm going to install it as well. But yeah, it's just all little bits and pieces that need to go onto it before you can put it back in the car. Here we go. So yeah, pretty simple. I mean, 5 minutes, not even. You just throw little bits and pieces back onto it and get it ready to hang in the car, which is probably what we're going to do next. So yeah, just man it up in there. Actually, be gentle because it's fresh paint. Don't be an animal. Hello. What are you doing? Huh?
Making everyone retail who if it's hot or cold and it's blowing.
Here, do me a favor. Come over. Come around. Put your hand right there. Push. Not too hard. Just like that. Don't move. Gotta find our bumper bolts. Alright, look. Alright, now you can go tell that. I just set it up on there, get a couple of bolts. Don't do what I do, get your bolts ready before you set it up there. Or get a helper. And there's 4 Torx that go across the top. I think they're T30s. how we did. That looks freaking spot on. It's looking like a car again. show you the gaps in the hood and stuff. So, here, I got a light here. There you go. Hopefully that helps there. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, looks real nice. Everything looks pretty good. A gap in our bumper. I still have the bottom of the bumper. It still needs to be tucked in, but yeah, looks. All our gaps look good. It's looking like a car. Yeah, this is the fun part when you get to put it all back together and it starts to look like a car again. It makes all the hard work kind of worth it. Although rebuilding cars, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work when you do it like I do it and just do stuff on nights and the weekend. It just takes a long time, and then it takes an even longer time when I try and record it. Yeah, I've had this car for like a month and a half. That's finished, right? But yeah, I got to build the door, but I should have been done about a week ago. It is what it is. It's starting to rain. I got to move you guys in. I got to try and paint my wheels today too. That's the other thing I need to do. I'm gonna put this up in the air. I got to put the wheel liners in it, splice guards, whatever you want to call them. And then I need to build the door.